I'm going to show you today is how to unlock this padlock here, this lock padlock, with this ordinary piece of aluminum soda can. So what you're going to do is a lot easier if you hold this down, take this, and you put it in here, and you get it to wrap around, and you get it to go in that little crack there where the bar is going down. Okay, get it to go down in there. You gotta force it down in there, kind of force feed it a little bit, because otherwise it could be a little pain in the butt sometimes, and a little bit more time consuming than others. So you're gonna want to work it down in there. Okay. And once you get it down in there, you can let it go. Okay. And you're gonna want to take this pop can by the little handles here that are made. You're gonna want to turn it towards you. Okay. And then pull. And that is how you undo a padlock with a piece of aluminum. Thank you for watching. Stay out of trouble.